This is the very famous Sunabeda Dam. I think we'll get some information from the local guide who studied here in Sunabeda and settled in Visakhapatnam.
Hi.
Can you briefly tell us something about this beautiful place?
This place is located near a place called Sunabeda. From here only all the pumping stations are located. Water treatment is done, and for drinking this water is being used over here.
What is Sunabeda famous for?
Sunabeda is famous for Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Fighter planes are being manufactured, the engines over here. And apart from that, it is a divine culture of the local tribals that brings the tourism over here.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. నేను క్రూజ్ పెట్టాను చాను క్రూజ్ పెట్టాను క్రూజ్ కూడా అదే తీయడమే ఆ బోట్స్ కిందకి వెళ్తావు చూడు, అది హైలైట్.
Finally, we have reached Chitrakoot Waterfalls. This is the area outside Chitrakoot Waterfalls. Presently, we are in Chhattisgarh. Just few meters from now, I'll show you the splendid and the beautiful Chitrakoot Waterfalls. So let's get our very first view of Chitrakoot Waterfalls. Beautiful waterfalls. This is the entire boating area of Chitrakoot. People come and get into the boats with batches. Cost is not much. It's around 600 for a 6-seater boat and 750 for a 15-seater boat and so on. People can have a very good time here. This is the boating area of Chitrakoot Waterfalls. Bye-bye. Safety protections. People have to wear the jackets before getting into the boat. That's good. Yeah. Mandatory safety protections. Very good. So let's get into the boat. Come on. There's a bit of traffic jam. Let me get from this side. Come. ఏదో ఒకటి ठीक है. The journey started to a beautiful Chitrakoot Waterfalls. Boat ride.
కూర్చోండి.
Dense green forest, picturesque rocks. What a
చెప్పు. ఏంటి బైక్ కార్ కాదు గట్టిగా పట్టుకొని తీయాలి, ఓకేనా? వచ్చేలాగా ఫస్ట్ మా వీడియో మేము వచ్చేలాగా ఇప్పుడు అందరూ గట్టిగా పట్టుకోండి.
అందరూ చూడండి. అన్న కింద పక్కన సెంటర్కి అది బా వీడియో కూడా